Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD. Okay, take a look at the detail join. Okay, let's get started. Create a new file, create a new body, create a new sketch. We select YZ plane. Select YZ plane. Create arc. Create two lines. Okay. Trim the edge. Make dimension. Sorry. Undo. 60. Next. 20. Digital point. 18. Let me see the jaw. Here. 18. Yes. Okay, the sketch is following constraint. We leave the sketch and point length 186. Okay, finish it. Then we create a new sketch. We select XZ plane. Select XZ plane. External geometry. This edge and this edge. Here. Okay. Hide the part. Create arc and point arc. Here is to create a line. Fillet. Angle. 118 minus. Okay. Radius 20. Two-point length 11. Radius 29. Make constraint tangent. Okay. Here and his point. 14.6. Okay, the sketch is falling constraint. We leave the sketch and select Pocket, Dimension tab, through all, and select Symmetrical to Plane. You see it? Perfect. Okay. Next, we select this face and create a new sketch. Top. Create round rectangle. Constraint symmetrical. Dimension 3. 14:6. Okay. External geometry. 13:6. Radial 5. Okay, the sketch is falling constraint. We leave the sketch and Pocket. Dimension tab through all. Okay. Then we select this face and this side face. Next, we create thickness. Make thickness inverse. And the thickness dimension is 1.8. Okay. Oh, sorry. Come back. Delete thickness. We need select the edge and fillet. Radius is 5 millimeter. Okay. Next, we select this face and then this side face. Select thickness. Make thickness inverse. Thickness dimension is 1.8. Okay. Perfect. Next, we select this face. Select this face and we select pad. The length is 5. Okay. It means offset. Next, we select this face and create a new sketch. Create new sketch. Okay. Make this point. We'll check. Make the arc equal 25. (16:2). Sorry. external geometry here, make the point onto reference. Radius is 4. Okay, the sketch is falling constraint. We'll leave the sketch and pied. We select revolve. Dimension tab to first. Hit the arrow. We need to change other tab to face, up to face. Okay. Now we select dimensions 2016. Okay. Finishing. Next, we create. Oh, sorry. Modify pied. We need to select 2 dimensions. Here we select. Let me see, the dimension is -2. Remind -2. Here, -2. Okay. We select this face and create sketch, external geometry, create arc, make 2 arc equal, and the dimension, the arc is 5, close, pocket 3. Okay. Next, we create pocket 002 and pad 002. We use length pen. Okay, the length. Wait, let me see the joint. The length here 118 minus 25. Okay. 180 minus 50. Numbers 3. Why not the pocket? Okay. We select pocket 2 and then minus 53. Okay. Oh, we come back. Undo. We select the 2 part. We use multi transfer. Okay. We right click to add and then (186 minus 15). 3. Oh my god. Perfect. It's 1 step finishing the 8. So 8 things. Okay. Minus 8. Next, we select this face and create sketch. We need to cut this. So, external geometry, add line and add line arc. Okay, the sketch foreign constructed. Next, we pocket, tab, and select all. Oh my god, not so. Select all. Dimension is 120. Okay. Okay, we select this face and create new sketch, external geometry. Then we create arc. Create arc big. Okay. Close. Pocket. Select all. Okay. You see, we finished it. Then we change color appearance. Select gray. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.